I'm really excited to introduce our first official course on LDX training, Getting Started with LearnDash. My name is Dave Werfel, and I've been teaching people how to use LearnDash since 2018. Getting Started with LearnDash is designed for beginners. Is this your first time using LearnDash? Still relatively new to WordPress? Are you switching to LearnDash from another LMS platform? This is the perfect course to put you on the path to success. You'll start off by installing LearnDash and activating your license key. Then I'll give you an overview of the LearnDash admin area and guide you through some global settings. Most of these are set it and forget it, and I'll provide some recommendations so you can configure them to suit your needs. Then I'll dive a little deeper as we look at custom color settings, as well as provide an overview of LearnDash's focus mode and built-in registration features. After that, you'll learn how to customize your LMS using custom labels. For example, where courses can become lectures, lessons can be renamed to modules, and so on. We'll finish up with a few LearnDash-specific plugin recommendations and some tips on how to evaluate potential third-party plugins that you might have your eye on. Getting Started with LearnDash is the place to start as you begin your journey teaching the world all of the wonderful things that you have to offer. Enroll today.